guys, in this video of the TypeScript series, we are going to discuss about the any type in TypeScript. So let's get started.
As the name suggests, if a variable is defined with type any, then that variable can have a value which could be of any types available in TypeScript, be it boolean, number, string, array, or any other. Let's quickly see with an example how we can define a variable with type any. So let's say we have a variable called as character, which is of type any. So I have used this any type keyword over here. Then I can give it a value which could be a string. Also, if I have another variable, say is favorite, and it is of type any, then I can give it a boolean value as well. Also, if we just define a variable without initializing, then TypeScript infers its type to be of type any. You can see that any is mentioned over here. We have talked about type inferencing in our last video. Do check it out if you haven't. One special thing about this type any is, in this case, TypeScript don't show us any type checking errors. For example, if I change or if I reassign this character a value of say number, you can see that I'm not getting any error. Even if I give it a value that is boolean, again, it's not giving me an error. But the problem is, in this case, TypeScript is behaving just like JavaScript, and the whole power of TypeScript to check for type related errors is gone. So the whole purpose of using TypeScript is no longer there. So it's always advisable to not use this any type in your code while using TypeScript so as to avoid any potential errors. And even if you are defining a variable without initializing it, you can still define its type in advance so that you do not encounter any problems in the future. So that's all about the any type. In the next video of the TypeScript series, we are going to discuss the array type. So if you found this video helpful, do hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.